Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix error code 229. The pipe is local, error pipe local on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of system error code, then here are the possible solutions. First one is right click on start button and choose settings. Update your operating system. From the left side, go to Windows Update and click on check for updates from the right side. And if any update available, simply download and install it. Also enable get the latest update as soon as they are available. And check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on start button and choose run. In run dialog box, type msconfig msconfiz and click on OK. This will open system configuration window, and here go to boot section and boot your system in safe mode. Click on apply and OK to save the changes. Your system will be reboot in safe mode. After rebooting your system in safe mode, again right click on start button and choose run and type msconfig. Click on OK. System configuration window will now open. Here go to services tab from the top menu bar and make the check against option hide all Microsoft services from the bottom left corner and click on disable all from the bottom right corner. Thereafter go to a startup tab from the top menu bar and click on the link open task manager. Here all your startup apps enabled in your system will visible here. Look for any startup apps enabled in your system. Find out. If any found, simply right click on it and choose disable. Manually disable all your startup apps enabled in your system. Apply this process for all your enabled startup apps and thereafter close the windows and click on apply and OK to save the changes. And check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Open control panel in your system. Here under available control panel items, click on recovery. Here choose open system restore. Restore system files and settings page will now open. Here click on next and on the next page choose a system restore points. You can also check so more restore points. Restore your computer to the state it was in before the selected event. Select an event from which your computer was in a good state. Windows Update or automatic restore point. Choose any one of them and choose next. And finally confirm your restore point. Confirm your disk and click on next and finally confirm your restore point. Choose finish and let the window complete the restoration process. After that, your problem should be definitely